Hi everyone, my name is Mavis. We are Seedblings.
What are we gonna do today?
Vending machine.
This Japanese vending machine candy.
Thank you, Daddy. So this is Coke, I know, but I don't know what both of this called.
You got a cola, a peach drink, and an orange flavor. Can I open it? Ooh, what we have there?
The candy.
We got all this candy. I think this is cola.
And I think this is orange. And I think this is peach.
Yum.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Open it. I can open a peach. Open a peach.
There you go, orange. Aiden, do.
Oh, I forgot.
This is what it looks like. It's a vending machine where you can dispense the candy out. Peach, cola, and I guess there's an orange flavor.
Let's go. Oh no, plastic.
Ooh, what does it taste like?
Wow.
So Daddy's gonna try peach.
Okay.
Which one is your favorite?
Wow.
Brown one, the cola?
Yeah. So let me see what I want to choose now. So we got orange, Coke, or peach. Let me get peach. Let me get or just one that. Da da da!
Wow, yummy.
1, 3, and
Now it's mommy's challenge time. Alright, I'm gonna put them here and see who's gonna suck up with their mouth faster. 1, Aiden, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Mouth! Huh? Oh my god, baby, it's your tiara! You got a weapons on your head! It's not fair! Next one. I count 1, 2, 3.
okay, let's see who can get this one.
I put 2 now. I count 1, 2, 3. Use your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna put it here again. 1, 2, 3. You're cheating!
What happened? He's holding on to one?
Put the head there!